Introduction and demonstration of the Internet of Things Learning Kit curriculum.
So I will use here. This is the program. In the curriculum, there's an introduction about why we do this, how we do the program. Here we input the Wi-Fi. I think this one. Then we are using the IoT service we use. So in the lesson, actually, in the previous lesson, they introduced you how to create an account, how to create a product and devices inside. So this is my test. Here, I can see the device ID. I will input here. Device ID and the product ID. Authorization. Those are actually established in the previous curriculum. Okay, so authorization 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's correct. I will upload the program inside. And wiring the Wi-Fi module to the port C. And the LED to the port A. So connect, upload it. Okay, it's done. I can remove it and just see here. This is the on its own. As the program, when connected, it will play a sound. Okay, now it's connected. Then let's see on the device list. You see, now it's going online. Put it higher here, like this one. And when I open inside it, I can send command to like send to have it on. Now the light is on. Send off. Oh, sorry, should be this one. Now it's off. So this is using the Internet of Things server. And then what's more, I can do an application in the App Inventor. This is also an open source project, free. In the curriculum, this is like how you establish the device in the IoT center, how to program, send commands. And then the next one is using the App Inventor to build a program, to build an app. Okay, so you can design it So here's the design page of it. You can add a button, checkbox, and design everything here. And here in this side, we are programming each one of each button to connect it to the IoT server. So right now, we are connecting the IoT server, which in here, this platform, you will see this is the API key. This is the API key, and this is the device ID. And it's like when I click the button, when I click this button, it will connect it and then send on. Click next, send off to the IoT server. And then the IoT server will set on and off, like the command I just sent now to the device. So yeah, I can test it right now. This is here. This is the App Inventor application. I use iPhone, but if you use Android, it's also better actually, because you can download the application. And now I will connect a companion. I will scan it. Okay, I'm now scanning. You see there is a progress bar. When it's 100%, I will have the application same as the designer on my phone. And yeah, here. So in the lessons, the lesson 8 is how you set up the IoT server step by step. In the 10 is another course, and 11 is how you design the application and explain each step of programming. Okay. Yeah. I should show here this one. LED light. This is a phone. So send a command, lights up. Send another command, lights off. And then in the curriculum, there is like there's like a Wi-Fi fan, Wi-Fi gate, environment monitor is using network to control to check the temperature and humidity. Also, music player. It's like you make a music media player, MP3. Yeah. Program the hardware, set up the IoT platform, set up the server, and then design the application's user interface. And program the application. So this is like basically the IoT kit is like teach you how to use the Wi-Fi to build a connecting. Then next level, how to use the IoT server. Then the next level, how to do application. And the next level, combine application to control the hardware through the IoT server. So this is the curriculum line of it.